What's your name?
What's your name? My name is Pedro. What's your name? My name is Ming. What's your name? My name is Aisha. What's your name? My name is Matvi. What's your name? My name is Leticia. What's your name? My name is Jumpy.
Who's your teacher?
Who's your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Hi, I'm Mr. Smith.
Who's your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Martinez.
I'm your teacher. My name is Mrs. Martinez.
Who's your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Dinosaur. Mr. Dinosaur?
Good morning, class.
What bus do you take?
What bus do you take? I take bus 5. What bus do you take? I take bus 7. What bus do you take? I take the banana bus. The banana bus?
May I use the bathroom?
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, you may.
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, you may.
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, you may. But next time, please walk.
Please subscribe.